Let's start. Hello, everyone. Welcome you all to the online session organized to celebrate World IP Day as part of IIC 5.0 Q3 activities. World Intellectual Property Day is a great opportunity to celebrate the power of innovation and creativity and to explore how intellectual property supports the drive to build a better future. This year, in 2023, the theme for World Intellectual Property Day is Women and IP, Accelerating Innovation and Creativity. In 2003, we are celebrating the can-do attitude of women inventors, creators, and entrepreneurs around the world and their groundbreaking work. And what could have been a better way to celebrate this day and theme than having two talented women working on IPR in their respective fields? It's my privilege and delight to welcome our guest speakers for today, Dr. Shweta, CEO and founder, Ennoble IP, and advocate Ms. Mahima from Neeti Law Firm. Also, we have with us Mr. Saurav Dey, Senior Manager, Ennoble IP, to take forward the session on behalf of Dr. Shweta later on. Saurav.
And I'm very happy that this is the second time when WIPO has given this theme of women and innovation, women and IP, women in innovation, and so forward. So, why Saurabh will be taking forward this session, because I am having bad throat. And because was suffering from viral fever. So I'll welcome all 14 participants here and congratulate CIMP for doing this event. I'll just speak for 10 minutes, and then I'll request my colleague Saurabh to take it forward. So I would apprise not on what patents and IP is all about, but I wanted to apprise you all that there are different kind of career perspectives in IP, which actually we miss to talk about. We don't talk about generally that IP is a field where you can actually look forward to have complete career, as I made at Saurabh, as Saurabh has made his career in IP. So I will be briefing you about how you can opt for career, what are the opportunities in IP domain, IP field, and how you can actually reach to a level where you can support different innovators and different inventors.
Is the screen is visible, ma'am?
Yes. Visible.
So first of all, we should know what is intellectual property, right? Whenever the word comes to our mind, intellectual property. So we should know what is intellectual property. Like intellectual property is intangible assets, right? There are two types of assets. Basically, one is tangible, one is intangible, right? So intangible basically assets are those which we can touch and see. Intangible, we cannot see or touch them. So intellectual property come under intangible assets, right? Now, under the umbrella of intellectual property, there are different types of forms of intellectual properties, right? So one of them is patent, other is trademark, copyright, industrial designs, geographical indication, etc. Right? So patent, basically, first we come to know what is patent. So patent is basically that given exclusive right to an inventor for a certain period of time from the date of filing, for like 20 years from the date of filing. When you file the invention, you get granted period like for 20 years from the date of the filing, right? Similar way, there is another form, right? Trademark. Trademark is basically a sign capable of distinguish a good and service of an enterprise from another enterprise. Suppose I give you an example so you can correlate with that one. Suppose whenever you go out to Pizza Hut or Domino's, so how we identify that's the pizza from the Pizza Hut or that's the pizza from Domino's? So we identify by their name, by their logo. So that's basically come under trademark, right? So similarly, there is copyright. Copyright basically protect the ownership work of a right author. Basically, the copyright comes like the things come under copyright are like we hear the news of like copyrights of the songs. The songs comes under copyright, movies, right? Computer programs comes under like copyrights. These are the things that come under copyright. Like similar way, there is another category that is called industrial design, right? Industrial design basically protect the appearance of an product, right? It can be its pattern, shape, line, anything. Suppose Apple has a watch, right? So Apple has protected their design. So Apple has protected their design of that watch, right? So everyone, whenever the like we came across Adidas shoes, Nike shoes, right? So they have like copyright their designs also. So through their design they have protected. This is called the design patent basically. Thank you, ma'am.
Now we have our next speaker in queue, Advocate Mahima Sharma ji. Welcome, ma'am.
Sorry. Hi, Shweta. Hi. Hello, everyone.
Hello, ma'am. It's always good to see a female face, and especially on a World IP Day when we are celebrating the achievements of women.
Sure. तो शुरू करते हैं. आई थिंक सर ने बड़े अच्छे से पेटेंट को पूरी तरीके से डिस्कस किया है. क्या है पेटेंट, क्या है इंट्रोडक्शन, क्या टाइप्स है. तो आई थिंक स्टूडेंट्स ने अच्छे से इंटरैक्ट भी किया था. स्टूडेंट्स को पता चला पेटेंट के बारे में, पेटेंट क्या है, कैसे है. सो माय टॉपिक वुड बी, certainly I would not be touching patent, but we would be discussing all the other aspect of IPR. तो स्टार्ट करते हैं सबसे पहले आईपीआर से. तो जैसा कि पिछले भी सेशन पे हमने बताया था, और आज आईपीआर डे, वर्ल्ड आईपीआर डे है, तो इसके लिए आज बताना बहुत जरूरी है फॉर ऑल दो स्टूडेंट्स who did not join on that day.